Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. Today we got the Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, physical media. Let's take a closer look. Check this out. We got the new Hunger Games out on physical media. Super awesome. And we even got the 4K Steelbook on the shelf. $29.96. Right here we got this awesome looking 4K Steelbook, Blu-ray and digital. Pretty awesome. Check it out. And I think since Best Buy quit selling physical media, that Walmart is going to start getting all the Steelbooks, which is pretty awesome. I'm just glad that they're still printing them. But let's check this thing out. This one doesn't say Walmart exclusive, but I think some of the other releases are going to be Walmart exclusive. So we got audio commentary with producer director Francis Lawrence and producer Nina Jacobson. We got Predator of Prey, making the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, 8-part documentary. The Hanging Tree, song by Rachel Zegler, a letter to fans, and theatrical trailers. Pretty cool. It says, in this prequel to the Hunger Games, a young Coriolanus, I've actually not seen this, but I'm learning right now what it's about, is the last hope for the once proud Snow family that has fallen from grace in a post-war capital. Snow reluctantly takes an assignment to mentor Lucy Gray Baird, a tribute from the impoverished District 12. But after Lucy Gray's charm captivates Panem's audience, Snow unites with Lucy Gray to turn the odds in their favor. Battling his instincts for both good and evil, Snow races against time to survive and reveals if he will ultimately become a songbird or a snake. Alright, let's check out some of the other releases. We got the 4K here, $24.96, Blu-ray and digital. Pretty cool looking cover. Comes with a slip cover. Looks like the same special features on the back there. Pretty cool. I need to see this one. I really like all the Hunger Games. We just never made it out to see that one. $19.96 on the DVD. The Blu-ray here is also $19.96, but there's none in stock right now. But we got the DVD here. It's actually got a lot of the same features. Audio commentary, Hanging Tree, 4 featurettes instead of 8. The costumes of the Ballad of Songs and Birds, the casting of Ballad, the music, and Welcome Back to Panem. Pretty cool. Check your Walmart, see if they got the new Hunger Games Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. If you're lucky, your Walmart may still have this exclusive merchandise collection, the Hunger Games. It's pretty cool. This is actually for the new movie, Lucy Gray and the Covey Band Hat Academy Notebook, Lucky's Signature Card Deck, Coriolanus Snow's Dog Tag, Collectible Sticker Pack. And then here's what the side looks like. Enjoy the show. But here's what the pack looks like inside the box. Pretty cool stuff. But see if your Walmart has this. Check this out, just $14.96. We got this box set that comes with this pretty cool pendant, Hunger Games officially licensed pendant. Pretty cool. It's got the 4-pack of movies, If you see here, Hunger Games, Catching Fire, Mockingjay 1 and 2. These are all on DVD, but pretty cool. Love that little pin there. Awesome. I cannot wait to watch that new Hunger Games movie. Man, the physical media all looks super cool. That 4K Steelbook, awesome to see. Walmart's got Steelbooks, but this is Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find something you're interested in. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers, we got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.